Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today we are going to make a beautiful party wear earrings, which is so elegant and so shiny, and whenever you will wear it, you will look really unique and you also can able to grab the attention of the people. Because I have wear them personally in my brother's Sangeet night and everyone just love them a lot. So today we are going to learn how to make beautiful earrings. So I hope that you enjoy this tutorial and we definitely try to make this earring at home. If you like this tutorial, do give the thumbs up and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make amazing jewelry making videos like this in the future. And now let's get started.
So the material required is diamond beads chain, pearl beads chain, golden beads chain, jardoshi, eye pins, pearl bead, any canvas sheet, Fevibond glue, and this is 3D outliner. Then cutter, plier and scissor. So first of all we will take this golden beads chain and we are going to take 10 beads. So let me count how many are they. So I have these 10 beads with me. So what I'll do is I will move them in U shape. I'll keep them in U shape and we are going to stick it to this canvas. So we'll apply glue here in U shape only, and this glue is, and we will keep it in a U shape because we want earring in this shape only. Then I'm taking this golden beads chain and I'll cut 4 beads first, and here at the middle we'll insert 4 these, we'll add these 4 beads. Then below this we will take these 2 beads and we're going to apply this again here, or you can take a bunch of 4 also, but I had already cutted this, so I am taking this. Now we will again apply a golden bead chain covering this whole part. So what I'll do is I'll cover this one, and I have all these in small shapes. So what I'll do is I'll apply them one by one. Remember not to have any space in between. Now I can see a space, little bit space here. So what I'll do is I'll take one bead from this golden bead chain and I'll keep it here in this. The same I'll do to the other side. Now we will apply this golden bead chain covering this whole stuff. So let me apply glue here first. Then we will stick it. And I'll measure it and cut this part accordingly. Okay. Now we will take golden beads chain, pearl beads chain, and we will apply 2 layers. So we'll measure it from here, and I'll do that. Similarly, we are going to apply one more layer, so I'll do that quickly. So guys, you can see I have applied this golden beads chain and it is looking so pretty. Now we will add these Jardoshi strips. So I have taken this Jardoshi strips and I will apply them to the outer edge next to this the pearl beads chain. Now this is little bit bigger, so we'll cut it. Now I'm going to add this diamond bead chain layer. It's just the work of applying layer one by one. That's it. So I'll quickly add this layer now. So I have added this diamond bead chain. Now again we will apply this pearl bead chain. So let me do that quickly. And now our last layer is remaining, which is of this diamond bead chain. So I have added this. Now we will do the last layer, which is of this diamond bead, golden bead chain. I'm so much confused today in this bead chain. Okay, so I have cutted this. Heyyyyy. Okay, so I have applied this last layer of golden bead chain, and now we'll remove it later. We'll cut this and we'll do back finishing. Back finishing is also very much important in this case. So I'll cut this one quickly.
Guys, there is a disclaimer. So these earrings comes in lots of parts and we have to do lots of sticking stuff over here. So I just forgot to shoot one part of this tutorial, and I came to know that when I was like literally editing this video. So I'm just reshooting that the middle part, and it won't be the proper as you can see in the original, but I'm showing you a kind of demo stuff, and I hope that you will understand that. So if you can see, This is a type of our earring. For example, we have this was the shape, and we have added some beads over here. Now we have to do back finishing. So for what I will do is we'll do this, and we'll add a favicol to this, to the edges, to these edges. And now we'll stick first one eye pin like this. So make sure to have a small eye pin and not a big one. So at this edge we'll stick one eye pin, and this is to add our earrings hook. So now we are going to add beads to this. So for that I'm taking this laria, and I'll insert one locked bead in this way, you can see. Now I will add one small pearl bead in this. This is a 0 number bead. This is a 0 number bead that I am adding. So you can see this is the structure. Now we'll just simply keep this one over here, and similarly we have to repeat the process. So I'll do that. So I have already made lots of tassels, and don't worry about this length of this laria. We'll cut them in later. So we have to repeat this. We have to stick it to one by one, and we have to make sure that these are getting stick properly. And similar in this way we have to complete this process till this half. So from here we will continue to our original one. I hope that you have understand this process, and if don't, let me know in the comments below. I will reshoot this video again. Thank you.
So guys, you can see that I have applied this half of the portion. So don't look at the structure. Now we are going to do proper back finishing. I just wanted to tell you that after we completed this half, we are going to apply a eye pin, because we are going to add earring dangle to this. So for the same we need eye pin. And now again we have to apply these pearl beads here. So I'll do that quickly. So guys, you can see that I have applied these beads to all of the area, and now we will apply one more coat of the same. So I have already made one more design like this, and now what we'll do is we'll take ample amount of glue, all of this, and we'll apply to all the edges in the U form. And we'll simply keep it on this. So that we can have our back finishing intact, and also it will have more, its look will enhance further. So we'll keep it like this for a while, and once it get dry we will apply one more reduction again, and we are going to apply some 3D outliner here, because it is not looking good from here. So let this get dried for a while, and then we'll start our further work. So this has dried up, and we will attach necklace. We'll just attach a hook to this. So for that I'm taking this eye pin, and I'll open this end, and we'll insert it any one side of this earring, and again close this properly. Now we'll mold this, and again form a loop here will form a loop here, and we will try to insert this loop in this. So with this, our beautiful earrings are ready. No, wait. Yeah, so some back finish, somewhat finishing is left at here. So what I'll do is I'll just take this 3D outliner and we'll quickly apply this 3D outliner here so that this back finishing will be hidden. I'm using this 3D outliner because I have already chosen diamond beads, so it will go in accordance with the diamond beads. So these earrings are very easy to make, just you need to know the sequence and number of beads that is required. So with this, a beautiful party wear earrings are ready. No, again no. So now I have applied this 3D outliner, and now we'll attach a dangle. So for that I'm taking this eye pin with flat head, and I'll insert one bead in this 5 mm pearl bead, and we'll cut this half portion of it because we don't need that much big loop, and for the rest portion I'll make a loop like this, and I'll insert this loop in this, wherein remember we have attached this eye pin when we are adding this, so in that we'll add this one. So now it's final. Our earrings are ready, and this is our second earring.
Our earrings are finally ready. We have made them in a very simple way. You can try them for any upcoming festival or wedding season. If you enjoyed this design, do hit the like button. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.